Inspiring Vanessa, and welcome to my tutorial for the creator competitions. Today I'm going to be talking about some of my top tips on when it comes to becoming a content creator and being successful at that, so I hope you guys enjoy. So before I get started into sharing you guys my top tips, I just wanted to introduce myself. So I am Inspiring Vanessa, I'm 13 years old and I'm an international multi-award winning motivational speaker. I'm also a YouTuber and influencer, you can say, and content creator, and I also do presenting and modeling on the side. And I've been on social media for 4 years, so I started when I was 9 years old, so from a very young age, but I've learned a lot of things throughout my journey so far, and that's what I'm going to be talking about today. So let's get straight into it. So my first step is don't procrastinate and just do it. Many individuals say they want to do something and never actually end up doing it. If you see yourself as one of these people, it's not necessarily a bad thing unless you don't want to change it. When I need to edit a video or film a video for my YouTube channel, the last thing I should be doing is leaving it till last minute. If you want to become a content creator and you also want to be successful at becoming a creator or an influencer, you need to make sure that you have a lot of determination and a really good work ethic. Having a can-do attitude is essential for your creator competition videos. And to make you more determined, you have the bonus of there being a prize. My second top tip is to have a clear niche or topic. Once you have taken action and set up your account or YouTube channel, the next thing you need to do is think about what type of videos or content am I going to post. If you're having trouble thinking about what your niche might be, ask yourself these 3 questions. Who is my target audience? What type of creator do I want to be? And the third one is, would I follow somebody who's making the same content as I am? After you've thought about these questions and gotten the answers, you'll start to have a clear idea of what your content is going to be about. For me, when I first started my YouTube channel at 9 years old, my first initial YouTube channel idea or video ideas would probably be vlogs, art videos and tour reviews. As I've gotten older, my interests have changed, meaning my video ideas have changed also. It's okay for your content to change or to start creating a different type of video, but as long as you have a clear guideline to what your videos are about. Don't forget to keep in mind that you can use your niche or your own style when submitting your creator competition videos. What they're looking for is originality and entertainment. Entering a competition with your own style or niche is bound to make you stand out. My third and final tip is to be consistent. Being consistent is going to help you so much in the long run in your journey. If you go on any social media platform, whether that be YouTube, Instagram or even TikTok, all of those social media platforms favor consistency. For my social media accounts on my YouTube channel, I post 3 videos a week on the same days of the week. For my Instagram account, I aim and strive to post consistently, and on my Instagram stories, I always try and post a little bit of behind the scenes so that I can build a better connection with my followers. You must figure out a time of the week that you're going to film your video and edit it and post it. If you want to grow a platform on Instagram, always make sure you're thinking about what time am I going to post this photo or video so that I can get more interaction from my followers. Consistency will make a massive difference and would definitely help you in the future. If you're struggling for ideas for what to submit for your creator competition video, every single week, perhaps on the same day, mind map different ideas that you have for the video. This way you're still using consistency and moving forward in your idea process. The first step is to always take action and don't procrastinate and leave it till later. The second step is to always have a niche and a topic so that you have a clear guideline of what your content is going to be about. And the third one is being consistent, because it really will help you in the long run. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you guys like to follow me on my social media accounts, my Instagram is @InspiringVanessa and my YouTube channel is Inspiring Vanessa as well. I also have 2 books and a podcast, and you can hear more about that on my website, which is www.inspiringvanessa.com. I hope my advice and tips helped you, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your entries. I'll speak to you soon. Bye!